Alright, so what we're gonna do here is try and get this thing off. I pulled it on my back hill, which is a slope, which means I can level out the boat and hopefully bring my tractor around, hook it up, and just roll it out of here. I'll try and set this up so you can see things halfway decent. Let's see what happens. Of that got recorded, but the boat is off the truck unscathed. There's no doubt boat needs a lot of work. All right, so we got the motor off. Definitely made it a little bit lighter, a little bit easier to move around. I'm gonna need to figure out what I'm gonna do here as far as, do I want to build up this transom? It's just a good question. I don't know yet. I can't decide if I want to put a bracket on it, raise the transom up, or I could even leave the transom down. I can put a bracket on it and hang it off the back, which some people do on a 23. Turns out this thing is a 23, not a 22. And I could take this piece right here and cut it out and move it all back and give me that much more deck space, which is considerable, actually. So I might do that, or I might leave it alone. I don't know yet. I really got to consider it and consider costs. But the motor is in back of the truck. Of course, I got to tie it down first before I go down the road, and I'll take it to the junkyard and store it there. I already got an offer of $400, so I feel comfortable that I can get a little bit more out of it. I told the guy no on the 400. I just feel like it's worth more than 400. So, it's kind of where I'm at. One motor in back of the truck. Getting ready to head to the junkyard. I gotta get my chain off of it, park the truck, and call it a day.